It's Thursday, the weekend's almost here. Let's check in on the Titanic build today on Brickscale Studio. Welcome back to Brickscale Studio. My name is Jeff. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today is another one of our progress episodes, so no building. So today we're going to recap the last 4 episodes. So I can't believe we've already got another 4 episodes behind us. Some exciting progress this round. We got the forecastle and the front whale deck attached together. And then we started on another engine, which started out just super chill, and then the final episode 16, oh my goodness, that was so crazy with all those teeny tiny parts. So check out the recap, and then we will talk about it after. On the scale model side, we added the bulkhead to our forward well deck. We added these ladders. We joined the forward well deck and the forecastle, and then we also added this lighting strip. So very cool there. And then for the Lego side, again, we continued building up. We added 2 more layers of height here, and then we added this hull piece here. So that is it for episode 13. On the Lego side, again, we attached this piece. We built up these 2 pieces, and then we started working on this piece. And then for the scale model side, we started working on the second engine. So we got the columns and the cylinders for the port and the starboard side. And then we got these connectors and shafts and things. So in the next episode, we'll continue work on this piece on the Lego side, and we'll finish putting this engine together on the scale model side. So that will do it for issue 14. So again, on the Lego portion, we built up basically this much. All of these decks here, we put on this whole side, on both sides. And then on the scale model side, we finished off this second engine, and we have our little turning here. So that's very cool. So that will do it for episode 15. All right, so in this episode, I feel like we did a lot. Again, we built up this entire, 1, 2, 3 levels of the Titanic on the Lego side. We got the side, and then we started working on this piece, which we will continue in the next episode. And then for the scale model, oh my goodness, we worked on this engine, attaching all these pipes and catwalks and all sorts of things, all kinds of details. And then we also added some additional details to the engine deck. So that will be it for issue 16. Okay, so yeah, I'm still having nightmares about that whole engine and the piping and all that stuff. So let's do our summary really quick. So for the scale model, we are at 195 steps and 352 parts. And for the Lego side, we're at 477 steps and 1,983 parts. So moving right along there, the parts on the Titanic really sort of jumped up when we did those porthole sections. So we used a lot of small parts, so we used a lot there. So unfortunately, next week in our build episode, we pick up more of that engine. So we did one of the engines, we put all the piping and the catwalks and everything on there. Well, now we're going to be doing that to the other engine. So another crazy episode, but I guess one good thing about it is we're doing it first right out the gate, and then hopefully the rest of the episodes in the next block will be a breeze. Also, stay tuned on Saturday. We have a little mini 1989 Batmobile and a very cool announcement, so stay tuned for that. And of course, remember to like, share, subscribe. We're trying to hit those milestones for subscribers so we can get 500 to do another LEGO giveaway, and then 1,000 to do an even bigger LEGO giveaway. So be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Comment down below how you think this Titanic's going. And until we see each other again, happy building, take care, be kind to each other, and I'll see you soon.